I try cases all over the state of Florida. And really the biggest difference between venues, for example, if you're trying a case in Dade County down in Miami versus trying a case up in Pensacola, the real difference really are the people who come in and are going to be your potential jurors. Because Florida is a pretty good melting pot. South Florida looks a lot different than North Florida, and that's fine. I mean, it's just a different subset of the population in both places. And so you have to take that into account, know your audience, so to speak. But at the end of the day, although the law is different in different jurisdictions throughout Florida that you might be applying to your case, the biggest difference are the people who will be sitting as jurors. No matter where I'm trying a case, the common denominator is that people who get that summons in the mail, okay, when they first get it, I mean, we've all been there, you're not exactly happy about it. You're not excited about serving as a juror in a case. But I think the majority of people understand that in this day and age where we don't have a military draft anymore, while a lot of people give back to the community and everyone has pride in being in this country, one way you can sacrifice your time in your responsibilities for a while is to sit on a jury. And I think almost always people understand that. And the court, the judges in a particular case do a very good job of explaining that to people. And I think people take pride in serving on juries. The jury system in our country is a very special thing to me, having seen juries in different jurisdictions in Florida and even outside of Florida. What's so great about it is it works. And it's a beautiful thing to watch it work. If you've never been to a trial before as a spectator, it's interesting to watch, particularly the jury selection process. Everyone is different. That's what makes our country great. Not everyone in our country walks lockstep and believes the same things. And I think that's why our country has been so successful over the years. But when you have people that bring different beliefs into court with them, you're going to get people who, some people can't be, quote, fair or be set aside their preconceived biases that might unfairly prejudice one party or another. But you can usually find 6 people who can. And that's when you get a fair jury. And as a client and as an attorney, that gives you peace of mind when you go home and you have your jury picked and you're ready to put the evidence on. It's reassuring to know, okay, at least these people have an open mind as to the evidence that's about to be presented. And at least they can be fair when weighing the evidence. It doesn't mean that it's going to go your way. There's no guarantee of that in this system. But the guarantee, hopefully, that we have is that everybody gets a fair shake when they walk into court.